U.S. client has requested not only resumption of shipments but also increased order quantities, inquiring about our company's maximum shipping capacity under current production capacity for late June and late July periods.
This correspondence originates from the American principal of Jinan Qingqi KR Motorcycle. On May 14th, following the issuance of the joint statement on China-U.S. economic and trade meeting in Geneva, Sarah Wang's manufacturing division received the directive, and the production lines resumed full operations.
Client orders have been fully reinstated. Operating under processing trade terms, our business model entails client-driven design specifications while we provide manufacturing and assembly services, with finished products directly exported to U.S. partners. As producers of mission-critical components for outboard propulsion systems, we are contractual restricted to designated export channels and expressly prohibited from private label branding.
Jinan Qingqi maintains integrated manufacturing capacities for complete motorcycles and power units, producing engines with varying displacements to address diverse market requirements across global regions. Notably, its low displacement variants have gained significant traction within the European marketplace.
The 125 cubic centimeters model attained full EU type approval compliance in early Q1 2025, with a 350 cubic centimeters variant slated for homologation completion by October of the same year. These small displacement cruisers fill a key gap in Qingqi's European market and have served as an important stepping stone into the EU market, where they have achieved remarkable commercial success.
It was Qingqi KR Motorcycle's proven production competence that catalyzed its strategic partnership with U.S. entities since 2003. However, 2 decades stable processing trade operations were catastrophically disrupted by cross-Pacific tariff wars, compounded by fentanyl control mandates and Section 301 surcharges. This confluence propelled import duties on outboard engine cylinder heads to 170%. Forcing the bonded processing trade model into an existential crucible.
On April, customers suspended shipments, resulting in a 20% month-end sales contraction. Many components are sourced from the U.S. and subject to tariffs, resulting in an 11% cost increase.
Following the implementation of the joint statement on China-U.S. economic and trade meeting in Geneva, a 55% tariff on outboard engine cylinder heads remains in effect, with full cost absorption mandated for U.S. client.
The 55% tariff imposition constitutes acute financial duress for clients. If they decide to relocate the project, there's little we can do except to explore new markets.
While processing trade has enabled Qingqi KR Motorcycle's integration into global industrial chains, tariff warfare has cast operational chill. After China and the U.S. significantly reduced tariff levels, this U.S.-constrained foreign trade model urgently requires transformation, making diversified development imperative.
For example, we currently source blanks domestically and some components from overseas. By diversifying suppliers, we can reduce costs. With our existing product experience, we can also expand into other international markets.